confident analysis and optimal control of acute and chronic states of diabetic retinopathy. In this video, we are going to define briefly diabetic retinopathy, how artificial intelligence contributes in diagnosing it. We are also going to demonstrate our retinopathy detection system and the prototype of the mobile application. First, what is diabetic retinopathy? Diabetic retinopathy is a condition that can develop in anyone who has type 1 or type 2 diabetes. The longer the person has diabetes, the less controlled the blood sugar is, so the more likely this person can develop other complications such as diabetic retinopathy. The number of diabetic people across the world is increasing tremendously. According to the World Health Organization, the prevalence of diabetes in Qatari adults population is approximately 17%. By 2020, it has started contributing to 10% of the mortality in Qatar. Statistics done by Hamad Medical Corporation in Qatar shows that 94.9% of diabetic people have type 2 diabetes. As stated by Professor Hijazi, over time, high blood sugar from diabetes can damage blood vessels and the nerves that control the heart and blood vessels. The longer people have diabetes, the higher the chances they have of developing heart diseases. The blood vessels in the eyes are not an exception. When eye blood vessels are damaged, this condition is defined as diabetic retinopathy. The damage in eye blood vessels can range from unnoticeable to acute damage that can end up causing blindness. According to Dr. Hijazi, we are seeing an increased number of diabetes cases in children in Qatar over the last 5 years. As these children grow up, they possibly will develop other complications from diabetes. While early detection of diabetic retinopathy can contribute in keeping the condition monitored and controlled, the diagnosis of diabetic retinopathy is hard at early stages. Detecting diabetic retinopathy using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, specifically machine learning, has widely contributed in the diagnosis and control of many diseases. Deep learning is a machine learning technique that is based on neural networks inspired from the human nervous system. It consists of making the computer, using an artificial neural network, learn, interpret, and analyze. It learns from a set of patients' cases and uses this knowledge to diagnose new cases. Demonstration of diabetic retinopathy detection system. Our system, that is based on convolutional neural networks, has achieved an accuracy of 97% in detecting retinopathy from eye retina images. This is the user interface of the system. The user imports an image of eye retina. Okay, let's import from the testing folder an image that represents a retinopathy condition. The image appears right here on the interface. We click Start Analyzing. The system starts displaying some corresponding histograms and the result, that is diabetic retinopathy condition. Well, let's try importing another image of a normal, healthy retina. We start analyzing, the system displays the histograms, and then we see that the result is normal, healthy eye retina. Demonstration of diabetic retinopathy detection mobile application prototype. Here is the interface of the mobile application prototype. By clicking Start, we get these screens that display some information and tips on how to keep the disease controlled. Login page, we enter the username, password, and we click Sign In. We can upload an image of the eye retina and then we click Check Retina Health. The result appears, in this case, healthy eye retina and some tips on keeping the retina healthy. By clicking Done, we come back to the home page. That is the end of our video. Thank you for listening.